Legend of Sleepy Hollow is a haunting tale set in a quiet village in New York's Hudson Valley. It follows Ichabod Crane, a superstitious schoolmaster who falls in love with Katrina Van Tassel, a wealthy farmer's daughter. He faces competition from Broom Bones, a mischievous suitor, and infamous Headless Horseman. The story explores themes of superstition, rivalry, and imagination, with some villagers suspecting Broom Bones orchestrated the scare. The legend of Sleepy Hollow explores fear, folklore, and community identity through humor, mystery, and the supernatural. The rivalry between Ichabod Crane and Broom Bones and the symbolism of the Headless Horseman emphasize the tension between reason and superstition, showing how legends influence cultural identity. The Legend of Sleep Hollow by Washington Irving is a captivating blend of mystery, humor, and social commentary, highlighting how folklore shapes community identity, blending myth with reality, influencing stories through fear and desire.